Hi there, I'm Vicki Parfino from Aussie Stampers. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to announce the winner of the design challenge for this month, and this is the prize I'm giving away. So the design challenge was make a gift box, and I'm going to give away these Prima rub-ons, which are by Christine Adolph. They're adhesive and they're rub-ons, and they are holiday greetings. So with Christmas not too far away for those of us who are paper crafters, we know we need to get sorted and get started on our Christmas things now. These will be really handy. So I think there are quite a few. There's 4 foil sheets and a little tool to rub these onto your projects or onto your cards, scrapbook pages, whatever. So that's one of the prizes. The other prize is a stamp set, which is a Christmas one. So this is Beachy Little Christmas. So this is, I love this saying here, who needs snowflakes when you have seashells? That's kind of cute. So that's a rubber stamp set I'm giving away. I'm giving away some designer paper as well. And this is the paper and what it looks like. It has some really pretty colorways on it. And I'm just going to flip that over so you can see the other side. So these are the paper share that I'm giving away, and that's the prize. So I'm going to put on some music and show you who the winner is. And if you'd like to join this competition, I've put the link below. It's called Stampers Art Gallery. It's our private Facebook group. So come along and join us there. This is open globally. So if you'd like a chance to win a stamp set, then pop on over and join us.